Hey friends, today I'm doing another unboxing or unbagging, and this is a 9-piece professional grade toenail clipper set. So first of all, we got a little card there, and you can grab this from Amazon for about $9. So if these are any good, see, stainless steel. This appear to be pretty solid stainless steel. If you get a Revlon one, I know they run you about, they're pretty expensive. So here we have the nail clippers, and these do look to be quite sturdy. What I like to look for is a gap here when I'm checking them out, but that is a nice, actually a really nice, it fits together like flawlessly there. There's like no gap at all, so that's good for cutting. Has a nice little spring there, so it goes back in place. It feels it's all one piece here, except for 2 pieces, but it looks really solid, so that's pretty cool. I mean, if you get 9 pieces here for about $1 a piece, not bad. So here we have another file. It's a stainless steel file and all one piece, and that is pretty nice as well. Okay, in here we have, looks like a type for getting stuff out from underneath your nails, And this, I believe, is for cuticles, to push your cuticles down. And another maybe a piece for that as well. That's not a knife, is it? Nope. Okay. And then in here we have another device, probably for cleaning under the nails and whatnot. Sorry for not know what everything does exactly. Let's see what else we got here. Here we have a small set of nail clippers. And once again, I'm looking for a gap, maybe see some light through there. These appear to be well constructed as well. No significant gaps there, so those are nice. And actually, that's pretty cool. Let me see here. I believe that this is a cover. Oh, look at that. That is pretty clever. So when you're cutting your nails, it doesn't fit like perfectly, but fits pretty good on there. So this part sticks on the back with a magnet, so when you cut your nails, they don't fly everywhere, so that's pretty cool. If this is just up, just off, there's a little ball right there, so it probably goes right about there. So pretty good idea, and it seems to fit fairly well there too, so be checking that. I will be doing a demonstration video as well if anyone wants to watch somebody cutting nails. All right, here we have another piece, and this is kind of a cool, once again, no gap there, which is nice. Like a sideways tweezer. Never seen one like this before, or clippers, but this is pretty cool. And least but not last, I actually had to look up and see what this device does. I had no idea. It looks like a little corkscrew thing, but apparently if you have like an ingrown toenail, this can help fix that. So I'm going to be demonstrating this. That's it for the unboxing and everything in there. You got a lot of seemingly good quality items here for not that much. I will leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and when I finish the review video, I'll put a link in the description as well, so you guys can check that out if you want to. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.